we going?
We are going to Colorado.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
For what?
For a wedding, and we're going skiing too.
Alright, you ready? Let's go.
Squirrely Girl! I'm Squirrely! Hi guys, welcome back to Squirrely Girls Adventures! Today we are going across the United States. You want to come with me from here to Colorado? Let's go! Have you ever flown on a plane before? It was so awesome that my cousins got to come because they are the best cousins that you can ever have. We've all flown on a plane before, but we didn't remember it. It was amazing! We're about to take off, Squirrely Girl fans. My littler cousin was a little scared, but once we got on the air, she loved it. So did my other cousin Ella. We can actually jump around.
If you start out, you can jump rope.
I wasn't nervous. I love looking out the window. Even my baby cousin Ridge loved flying on the airplane. He is so cute.
You like to fly on the plane too, don't you? Don't you?
We almost traveled 1,700 miles. We finally made it to Colorado after 3 hours on the airplane. Time for landing.
Put your brakes on, buddy.
The landing made Ella a little nauseous. Now we have to go from Denver to Breckenridge. There was some crazy art in the Denver airport. We had to get 2 rental cars, and while we waited, we had a good dance party at the airport. If you're wondering, my Pop-Pop's favorite dance move is the wheelbarrow. He's doing it right now. It's time to hit the road. The ride from Denver to Breckenridge is about 2 hours long. Let's see what we can find. The first thing we found was Alvin and the chipmunks. Up there.
No, I know, but that's Simon.
Where is the
They're missing one.
Me and Tennessee were playing Barbie dolls. It was fun. While we were there, we saw some beautiful mountains. Some had snow and some didn't, but we saw little splotches of snow on the way to Breckenridge. Oh my gosh, the closer we got, the more snow it was. But look at that pointy mountain, it's so snowy! Look at this handprint. It's so cool.
Look, y'all, look.
Wow! Yep, we're going skiing. We saw the whole tippy top of the mountain full of snow on top. The road to our house was super duper bumpy.
There it is, y'all. Look. Oh my
Is that it? After a long ride in the car, we finally made it. Let's go check out the house.
How awesome is this?
Look out the window, guys. Come on. It's almost full that I could just step out. Come on, guys. Let's go. Look, there's a big sleeping bag right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, cool.
And like there's games and stuff.
That's Gigi's spot.
Guys, come here.
God, shit.
Guys, there's a hot tub. Do you want to go swimming in it? Let's go. Let's get in. We had so much fun playing in the hot tub, and the view was amazing. After the hot tub, we ate dinner, and look who came to visit. It's the cutest fox I've ever seen. Well, actually the only fox I've ever seen. I wanted to bring it home so bad. You'll never guess what we saw next. It was a moose right outside our front door. Amazing, right? Day 1 of Colorado was amazing. Stay tuned for more Squirrelly Girl adventures, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Squirrelly Girl! I'm Squirrely!